We're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE wallet case, the official one for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. I just have done a video now of the regular silicone case and let you know my hack about how I store cards inside that one, because I really like that case. But this one is for those of you who really like wallet cases, because these are classics in the Samsung ecosystem, especially with Uncle. I call this your dad or your uncle's cover case. But some people really like these for practical reasons. Being able to keep your cards inside your case and being able to shut the screen off is a big deal. And because it's got software, you can also do things like this, where you can actually, have this like preview window that's like an always-on display. In the box, you've got all the regular trappings of paper that no one cares about. And then, this feels good. I actually like, firstly, let's comment on this color. I don't know what color this is, but this is the light blue one that I've got to review. It's soft. This is another nice thing about like these wallet cases, that this really nice soft treatment. You know your phone's going to be looked after inside one of these cases. It's a little bit like the silicone case, I guess. I'm not sure if this is recycled material like the silicone case, but it's got like more like a vegan leather finish. What does it say on the box? It doesn't say. But let's have a look and see. We put this inside. Okay, we slide this bad boy in. Remember, when you're putting on your cases, always slide into where the buttons are, because you don't want to break the buttons or force the buttons in. Very comfortable feel. The camera bumps are flush with the cameras, but they literally are flush with the cameras, as opposed to like a little bit of protrusion. I would have liked to see more of a protrusion like the silicone cases around the cameras. The main reason is that if, they've got some protection from damage, and also like if you slide it into your bag or whatever the case is, you don't want to have like something smudge on them or whatever the vibe is. And then here's your card slot, regular card slot. And when you close it, you should get, here we go, your preview window on it. That's what that looks like. It's very cool. To get that, you just tap it, you open it up. Isn't that cool? So it knows and identifies this case, and you can even use this with the cover closed, because it's got that slit. One of the reasons I don't like these is because I find these flappy things too flappy, and over time they do stretch. But it is for certain kinds of people who like these kinds of covers, and there are people that buy these covers every year, right? This is a standard in the Samsung's ecosystem, and for the FE, it's quite nice. I really like this color, to be honest. You can prop it up. Can you prop it up like that? So if you want to do work or what, you can do work, I guess. I really wish it had a way to prop up like this way, so that you can, you could turn it into like a little computer. But there's nothing much more to say. It's a very well designed, very well built case. Unlike the other cases, by the way, if you watched a few of those other videos, the bottom section of the case is nearly completely sealed. The other cases often like leave the space open, like the clear case, for instance. And then there is a lot more protrusion, I think, than a lot of the other ones over here. And then you can also, for the screen, so if you drop it, it hits there. And you can also obviously fold it like this when using it, so that it's a little bit more like a regular device. Does it have the... Look, it's not my favorite cover. It's not my favorite Samsung case. But again, people watched my Smart View video for the S24 Ultra and argued with me about it. People like this thing. And it's another one as good, or in some ways better, I guess, because it's smaller. This kind of case in the small form factor is much better. Anyway, what do you think about this? If you are thinking about picking up a case like this, let me know in the comments below. I actually want to know if this is your jam, or how am I wrong? Just tell me how I'm wrong, because I want to know. Or if you agree with me, because I'm hoping that there's more people that agree with me this time around than in the last video. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one, and I'm doing a whole series of these, so if you want to see more of the official Samsung covers and cases. Make sure that you check that out on the channel. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.